It's on.
Oh shit. Oh,
That's the bong.
Isn't it
Should I move the bong?
No, because I'm not letting it go this way. Watch it just fly out of my hands now.
I know.
As it did.
What did that hit?
Nothing.
It sounded like it hit something.
Nothing. Come on, Pinky. Come on, Pinky. That's amazing. You know how pissed off Trevor would be right now?
Why?
Because of doing drugs with powder.
Big fucking deal.
Dude, I have to show you